जो आपसी में टैरिफ पे लड़ रहे, कहीं गलती से ये ना सोचे प्रधानमंत्री जी कि टैरिफ है सर, तारीफ नहीं। जो एआई का आई बोल रहे थे ना, ये टैरिफ है, तारीफ नहीं। ये नुकसान करेगी हमें अगर हम टाइम पे। मैंने सोचा था, मेरे अपने सगे भाई नहीं है सर, मैं पार्लियामेंट आई तो मैंने सोचा प्रधानमंत्री मेरे भाई बनेंगे, मगर पता नहीं उन्होंने पता मुझे कुछ अजीब ही नाम दे दिए। जो भी है भाई तो मेरे है ही
भाई है। धन्यवाद
तो
आपको।
सबको धन्यवाद।
डॉक्टर कन्नीमोजी एनवीएम
आपने ये मौका दिया, धन्यवाद सर।
धन्यवाद। ठीक।
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir, for the opportunity. Sir, as we celebrated the 75th anniversary of adoption of our constitution and the Indian Republic completed 75 years of its journey, at this moment only, our daughters have made our nation proud by winning Olympic medals, but those very athletes who brought honor to the country have returned the medals as a bold statement against the atrocities committed by the union government, sir. Has the central government delivered justice to these athletes, sir? Will they ever do it? Sir, in page 21, the President's address, it mentions, my government firmly believes that serving 140 crore citizens is its foremost duty and is working without utmost sensitivity in this direction. Sir, within 24 hours of this version, which was delivered by our Honorable President, has totally been forgotten, and Tamil Nadu has been given a stepmotherly treatment without any schemes or any fund evolution. Sir, the key infrastructure projects requested by the Tamil Nadu government as the Coimbatore and Madurai metro rail projects and the Tambaram-Chengalpattu elevated highway project have also been completely excluded from the 2025-26 union budget. Sir, Tamil Nadu had suffered three major disasters, the cyclone Michigan, the cyclone Petai, and several floods in the southern districts, had requested 45,000 crore in relief funds, sir. However, the union government has released only 276 crores so far, and this budget provides no additional financial support for the disaster recovery.
Clear discrimination.
Sir, in page 11, it says, with the spirit of one nation, one tax, the GST system was introduced, which had been benefiting all the states across the country. Sir, for your kind information, if Tamil Nadu government pays 1 rupee, it gets back only 29 paise, whereas Uttar Pradesh gets 2 rupees and 73 paise. When Tamil Nadu gives rupees 5.1 lakh crore as tax, and Tamil Nadu get back only 2.24 lakh crore only. But whereas Uttar Pradesh pays only 2.08 lakh crores and gets back as 9.04 lakh crore, which is 4 times of their what they give as tax, sir. So the Tamil Nadu government has been urging the union government not to withhold the release of the funds under the ongoing Samagra Shiksha scheme by linking it to signing of MOU for the establishment of the PMC schools in Tamil Nadu, as the state has some valid reservations for the certain elements of the NEP 2020. The first clause of the proposed MOU for PM Shri schools mandates the state implement all provisions of NEP. Sir, many of the acceptable provisions of the NEP were being implemented in Tamil Nadu even before the launch of NEP and are covered by the state education policy, but still the funds are not given to Tamil Nadu. Sir, எங்களது மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் தளபதி மு.க. ஸ்டாலின் அவர்கள் கூற்றுப்படி மாணவ செல்வங்கள் படிப்பதற்கு சமூகமோ பொருளாதாரமோ அரசியல் சூழ்நிலையோ எதுவும் தடையாக இருக்கக்கூடாது என்பதே திராவிட மாடல் ஆட்சி கொள்கையாகும் என்று எப்பொழுதும் கூறுவார். Sir, the same way, the railway projects of Tamil Nadu is merely just 2.5% of the national level, and this continuous neglect of needs and aspirations of the state has resulted in extreme inconvenience to the Tamil Nadu, sir. So, sir, the housing for all policy, strictly speaking, is implemented at the cost of the state government. The state government share in it is rupees 12 to 14 lakh per unit, whereas the union government gives only rupee 1.5 lakh per unit. Sir, actually, it should be called as the Chief Minister's Awas Yojana instead of the Prime Minister's Awas Yojana.
Yes.
Sir, not to make a mention about the tungsten mines, the AIADMK government had granted permission to explore the tungsten mines in Aritapata, one of the most significant historical symbols of our community. The same way what they did for the Kachativu, sir, I would like to make certain things straight, okay? Even after, sir, even as the same way, even after, sir, please sit down. Even
Krishna, please.
in the same
Up
house
it.
during the debate on the
Please,
Constitution Day, the leader of the house, JP Natta, mentioned that Kachativu was given to Sri Lanka without amending the Constitution when the DMK was in power in Tamil Nadu. At that time, our floor leader, Mr.
it.
Tirthi Shivaji,
Kripaya.
made the clarification
Please sit down.
that at the point of time DMK was in power in Tamil Nadu, the then Chief Minister Dr. Kalingar passed the resolution in the Tamil Nadu State Legislative Assembly ceding Kachativu to Sri Lanka. At the same time, here in Parliament, all the DMK MPs in this august house spoken against the ceding of Kachativu, and that observation made by Sri Tirthi Shivaji, the leader of the house, JP Nattaji, accepted and said, yes, it was made. Even after that same member of some political parties of this house are misleading the parliament and the people, and that it was done with the concurrence of the DMK. Sir, I strongly condemn this on behalf of the DMK MPs, sir. So not only this, next the REIT resolution which was sent by the Tamil Nadu government, which was passed in the assembly and it was sent to the governor, sir. He sat on it, it came back to the state, it was not informed to the state as legislative assembly. At time the AIADMK was only in the power. And again they criticized on the signature campaign, which is led by our young youth leader, Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin, and making a mockery of it. We are just trying to make the central government understand that need is not necessary for the hour, sir. I would again like to mention that one, sir. So the Honorable President had said that the union government has established cultural centers in several countries in memory of the great poet Saint Tiruvallur. During his visit to Singapore, the Honorable Prime Minister had announced that India's first ever Tiruvallur Center in the world will be set up in Singapore to enhance cultural ties between the two countries. Hope it would be like another Madurai AIMS, sir. Still, which is another construction even after 10 years of its announcement of the 2015 budget. Sir. What happened to the Sri Lanka is that the Jaffna Cultural Center's name was suddenly changed to Tiruvallur Cultural Center by Indian officials and sections of NPP government precisely on 18th January 2025. But when the people of Jaffna protested, the name was changed again to Jaffna Tiruvallur Cultural Center. It remains to be seen as another round of clouding will take place and yet another name change.
1 minute, please. Please, 1 minute.
Sir, we have.
आप बैठिए, please sit down. जो नियमों के अंतर, please, नियमों के अंतर्गत संवैधानिक प्रमुखों को खिलाफ कही गई कोई भी बात रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगी. आप अपना चालू करें. Speak.
Sir, it is time for the President Office either to formulate a well-defined standing operating procedure, SOP, for the governors or to remove the post of governors. The governor has no constitutional rights to be indecisive or to make inordinate delay in pertaining to the resolutions duly passed in the state assemblies by the democratically elected governments. Any such act of government against that the will of the people of the state is unconstitutional and untenable. The Honorable President should not be silent spectacular to this undemocratic and unconstitutional acts of the government. Sir, here I would like to mention the most prestigious Sengul which has been accepted by the union government right now and which has been made customary for the last couple of years. We're getting the Sengul at the time of the presidentship, which has been accepted by the president who's been officially elected by all the MLAs and MPs, sir. I would like to mention over here, in Tamil Nadu, every time when the state assembly calls in for it and we have our governor visiting it, the Tamil Thai word, he just disrespects and just walks off, sir. This is the reason DMK again and again says, we do not require governor for the state. Sir, you need not talk on this. We did. Okay, that is the reason we keep
Is
on
there
telling.
point of order?
They cannot.
You are raising point of order. Please sit down.
Sir, please, sir.
Please. Yeah.
Giving wrong.
There is no point of order.
What is the rule? What is the rule?
How the government constitutional authority, government constitutional authority.
No point of order. Please sit down. No point of. Please speak.
Please speak.
Sir, not only this, the
Please.
proclamation of the neo-middle
Leader of
class.
the house.
I'd just like to remind that the honorable member has spoken about the governor, about the person who is holding a constitutional post. I think that should be expunged from the.
I have already given.
No, sir. We have not spoken anything ill about the governor. We have not spoken anything ill about the governor. We are not speaking ill about the governor. We are only requesting the president to give SOP standing performing instruction operations.
मिस्टर जयराम रमेश, प्लीज आप कृपया से बैठिए।
एक सीधा सवाल है सर, जब संवैधानिक पदाधिकारी संविधान के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करते हैं उसका क्या इलाज है?
उसका
Constitutional authorities are doing unconstitutional acts. What is the solution?
डॉक्टर त्रिशूल,
Mr. Vice Chairman, see what she spoken was what happened in the state assembly of Tamil Nadu state. That's all. It is not against any individual, sir. What happened in the assembly, she is briefing that in the floor of the house to enlighten everyone that the rights of the state assembly are being foregone or is being forfeited by someone. That's all, sir. It is nothing against any constitutional authority. We are very much aware, and no name has been mentioned.
आप कृपया बैठिए। मैंने प्लीज
Sir,
ओके
1 minute, sir. Sir, what's happening? This parliamentary system, the President of India delivers an address which is prepared by the cabinet. Likewise, in state governments, the governor is to deliver the address prepared by the cabinet. That is the accepted norm, which he is refusing. When he is going away from his constitutional duty, where else we can
आप
go?
कृपया बैठिए।
Come and complain.
हो गया, प्लीज सिट डाउन।
We can go.
कृपया बैठिए,
Please.
कृपया प्लीज। मैंने ऑलरेडी आसन से निर्णय दे दिया कि जो भी बात नियमों के विपरीत संवैधानिक प्रमुखों के खिलाफ कही गई है वो रिकॉर्ड में नहीं आएगी। आप अपना भाषण प्रारंभ करें। प्लीज स्पीक। डॉक्टर कन्निमो जी।
Sir, the status of 10 crore free LPG connections under the Pradhana Mantri Ujjwala Yojana 2 marred by rampant corruption, looting and irregularities. Several women had not received the LPG connection, but their name figured in the beneficiary list of the Ujjwala scheme. Apart from the poor implementation, one of the major flaws of the scheme was that the government emphasized increasing the Ujjwala coverage without focusing on getting existing families to retain the use of the LPG cylinders. Sir, Sir, the proclamation of the new middle class of 25 crore people overcoming the poverty is yes another joke. In reality, there are crores of people deprived of the roti kapta or makna migrating to southern states like Tamil Nadu in search of jobs and for their survival, sir. Sir, Peraringer Anna, Muthamaringer Dr. Kalanger, Talabadi Muka Stalin, ஆகிய முப்பெரும் தலைவர்களின் சீரிய வழிகாட்டுதலில் திராவிட மாடல் ஆட்சியின் பயனாக தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருந்து ஒன்றிய அரசுக்கு கிடைக்கும் அபரிமிதமான வருவாய் எல்லாம் வட மாநிலங்கள் எடுத்துக்கொண்ட போதும் வடக்கிலிருந்து உழைத்து பிழைக்க வழி தேடி வருவோரெல்லாம் வாழ்வாங்கு வாழ வந்தாரை வாழ வைக்கும் பூமியாம் எங்கள் தமிழ்நாடு இன்று திராவிட மாடல் ஆட்சி செய்த வளர்ச்சி காரணமாக வருவாய் ஈட்டுவதில் முன்னணி மாநிலமாக தமிழ்நாடு உள்ளது என்பதில் வியப்பேதும் இல்லை. Sir, I take this opportunity to thank my floor leader who has brought to the concurrence of being able to present about the functions of the government, and the leader of the house, JP Natta, on accepting that the concurrence of the Kachativu was not given by DMK. I again retreat over here and make it very strongly. I accept it and thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद। माननीय श्री प्रफुल्ल पटेल।
Thank you, sir. धन्यवाद। My name was
आप
on
कृपया
list
बैठिए।
19 yesterday. If you had checked the list, you would have come to know. Something changed, but yesterday my name was on number 19 and this is 19. No disrespect to anybody. उपसभापति महोदय, आपने मुझे बोलने का वक्त दिया, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और आज हम हमारी आज़ादी के पश्चात भारत गणतंत्र बना, उसकी 75वीं सालगिरह में हम लोग यहाँ पर
कृपया चर्चा नहीं करें आपस में।
राष्ट्रपति महोदया के ओर से दोनों सदनों को जो उन्होंने संबोधन किया, उसके धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव
जिनको
के
जाना है बिना बोले जाए, पैरों से जाए।
समर्थन में मैं यहाँ पर अपनी बात रख रहा हूँ।
जिनको बाहर जाना है बिना आवाज के चले जाए कृपया। जी बोलिए।
और भारत का जो गणतंत्र है 75 साल के बाद जो हमारे संविधान के निर्माता थे, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली थी और डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर के नेतृत्व में ये संविधान की जो हमारे पार्लियामेंट ने स्वीकृति दी, 75 साल के इस इतिहास में ये भी हम लोगों को बहुत